are you today? Okay, today I will make a simple sandwich. I'm so excited because sandwich is one of my favorite dishes. Okay, I will show you guys how to make it. But before we do it, you must clean your hands first. Okay, the tools I need: a plate and a knife. The ingredients I need: 2 slices of bread, 2 slices of cheese, 2 slices of smoked beef, fried egg, lettuce, mayonnaise, chili sauce, tomato ketchup, and butter. Okay, let's go make a sandwich. First, put a slice of bread on the plate. Second, add a butter. And tomato ketchup. Third, add lettuce, smoked beef, and the cheese. After that, you can add chili sauce, mayonnaise, then put a slice of bread to the top and cut into a triangle shape. Yay! Finally, you can serve it. Can we try it? So delicious! It is right. You can make it by yourself at home. Okay, don't forget to subscribe and comment. See you. Bye!